Open code versus Aider. So, agentic and autonomous, that is what open code is. It acts proactively and iteratively. If a build breaks, it might automatically find the error, open the file, fix it, rerun tests, and keep going until the issue resolves unless you interrupt it. It is also terminal first and highly configurable. So here's are its pros and tools. It offers multi-session support. It has shareable session links. It is also integrated with a command execution. They have a plan mode and the build mode toggle. And it also has non-interactive scripting via the open road and open code run for CI/CD integration. Now, Ada, on the other hand, offers pair programming style, which works more cooperatively, typically requiring user permission before making changes. You're in control of what it sees and edits. It also has a context-aware and Git-friendly. So its process, it uses the repo map for understanding the code base. It offers strong Git integrations. It supports multi-language workflows, and it can watch for comments. So overall, it depends on which one is better and which one wins. If you love being hands-off, letting the tool intelligently drive edits, then choose open code. But if you favor control, want to specify exact context, then choose Aider.